What is Zapier? Zapier is a web application that connects two applications or systems and allows them to talk to each other. So if there is not an integration available of your AMS or your software with InsuredMine, you can use Zapier to connect them. If both systems are connected to Zapier, then they can communicate with each other. If you're sending data from InsuredMine, you need to create a trigger in Zapier for InsuredMine. If you are sending information into InsuredMine, you need to create an action in Zapier for InsuredMine. How do you do that? First of all, you need to have a Zapier account. You just go to Zapier.com, and when you come to this page, you can just sign up and create an account. If you already have an account, you just come here and click on Continue. Once I'm in Zapier, you should be able to search for any of the apps that are connected to Zapier or that are available in Zapier for you to connect. However, since InsuredMine is a private app, not a public one, when you do search for it, it will not come up. Okay, so what you do is you just come over here to make a Zap, and you should be able to find your InsuredMine here. How you find it here is you need to go to InsuredMine and request Zapier. So you come into InsuredMine and you come to settings, and you can do that by either coming down your navigation panel and clicking on settings, or you can come up to your profile over here on the top right and click on settings here. Either one will take you to settings, and then all you have to do is click on send me the invite button. And then once you do that, an email will go out to our support team, and then they will get back to you with an invite for Zapier with a password. Once you get a password, then you come back to the Zapier screen. You'll see your email here and you'll see your password. The password is hidden at the moment, but if you click on this eye icon here, then you will be able to see your password, all the numbers and the special characters and all of that stuff. All you have to do is click on copy. Okay, you don't even need to see it. You can just click on copy. And now you're going to need this password in order to log into Zapier. If you remember nothing else, just please remember this. Make sure you use this password when you're logging into Zapier. Do not use your InsuredMine password. The one you use to log into InsuredMine, do not use that password. If you do, then you're actually giving access to Zapier to get into your InsuredMine account and access your data. So for security reasons, please do not try to log in with that password. This is the password that you need to use. You can copy and you can save this password somewhere, but if not, that's okay. You'll be in InsuredMine anyways, and you just come back to the screen, and then you can just copy from right here for whenever you need it. Okay? So now you go to Zapier, and when I said make a Zap, it brings you to the screen. So now you have this icon for InsuredMine. Okay? Click on that, and then it brings you to this screen. So now you can choose your trigger event. As I was mentioning, when you want to send Zaps into another software, then you just come here and you select your trigger event. Okay? So whether it's a new prospect, for example, maybe it's a new prospect you're creating and you want that to go in. So these are all the triggers that you can use. Okay? And you can set one for each one. You just have to do it once. So let's say new active client, for example. And I click continue. Okay, so now here I will have to choose which account I'm using. The reason there's multiple accounts here is one, you could be logged in from your agent account, but you could also have an admin account. So it's highly recommended. If you log in with your admin account, whatever Zaps you set up here will be available to everybody in your agency. So then all the updates will just have to happen once. You just have to set up the Zap once. But if the agent comes in here and sets up the Zap, then only he's going to be able to get these updates. Okay, so then each agent has to do it. So if you need to add another account, all you do is come down here, click add a new account. Then the screen will pop up, and then you will just put in your InsuredMine login. Okay, so that's my email address. Or if you have your admin, you put in your admin email address. InsuredMine.com. Okay. and then you put in that password. So I'm just going to copy and I'm going to paste that in here because I've already copied it, right? So then I continue. So the password you're going to put here is the password you copied from the Zapier screen on. Okay, so the password from the InsuredMine Zapier screen. Okay, so now you can continue and keep creating. So any Zaps that you've created, you can name your Zap here, but then once you have everything created, you just come back to your home page here, and then you can see a list of all of your Zaps that you have created, and you can decide which ones you want to turn on and which ones you want to turn off. Okay, so maybe you have like 25 Zaps set up, and maybe only 5 of them you want to use those at one time, but you can just select the ones that you want to turn on. You can get a more detailed tutorial on how to create Zaps and how to turn them on and all that good stuff. The object of this demo was just to show you how to connect InsuredMine with Zapier, and that's what this is all about. But if you ever have any questions, even after this video, just reach out to support at insuredmine.com, where you can give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to walk you through this in more detail if you need. Thank you.